before we proceed, before I yield the floor to Senator JB, for the record, I would like to thank the DND under the leadership of Secretary Teodoro. If sakali nakalimutan mo na, sir, kaming dalawa ni Vice President Sara Duterte, hindi namin makalimutan yung kindness na binigay nyo sa amin nung kami ay tumira doon sa Philippine Veterans Memorial Hospital natin. At na-realize talaga namin ni Vice President Inday na DND is non-partisan. Kahit na binubugbog na kami politically, masyado na kaming harassed during that time, at least DND give us comfort. And yung kinatawa lang namin doon is nag-usap kami sabi niya, tingnan mo, si Tore at saka yung mga pulis, hindi pinapapasok ni Sik Gibo dito. Ang gwardiya natin dito, mga taga-DND. So, yun lang, sir. We would like to express our gratitude dahil kayo ay nanatiling non-partisan amidst the political turmoil na nangyari. Alam mo, pag ikaw ay you are down and inaapakan ka na ng husto, yung tao na nagbibigay sa iyo ng kahit kunting alalay ay kultura natin ng Pilipino yan. Hindi mo makalimutan yan. And thank you so much for that dahil si Sulaika, Atty. Sulaika na hospital arrest doon, hindi pwedeng iiwan ni BP dahil masyadong depressed na, masyado nang baka may mangyari, kaya napilitan si BP na mag-standby doon. At ako rin naman, hindi ko rin pwedeng iiwan si BP doon na siya lang, so sinamahan ko. So, salamat ako na ako'y binigyan ng kwarto doon, pero nagbantay na ako, nakapagkuhan pa ako. Wellness check-up ako. Nakapag-wellness check-up ako doon. At ilang days din yon. At si BP, merong higaan doon sa sahig, merong mattress na medyo komportable naman na tulugan. So salamat, sir. Thank you for that. Salamat talaga. Now, I would like to yield the floor to Senator JB Ejercito for his opening statement.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Siguro, unahin na natin ang chairman ng Finance Committee.
I would like to acknowledge the chairman of the Mother Committee, the Finance Committee.
Mas importante
Senator
siya.
Sherwin Gatchalian.
Mas importante siya dahil kung may sakali meron tayong gustong idagdag o itulo sa IEP, mukhang siya po ang susi, ang ating chairman ng Committee Finance.
Huwag po na natin bitawan. Go ahead, Mr. Chairman, sir. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Well, Mr. Chairman, narinig ko sa YouTube kanina, sabi niyo baka mawalan kayo ng trabaho. No? Pero alam naman natin ho dito sa Senado, kung mayroon isang senador na kabisado po ang defense, kabisado po ang peace and order, kayo po yun, si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Kaya malaking bagay po na kayo po ang chairman nitong subcommittee para po mahimay natin mabuti yung budget ng defense establishment at makarekomenda rin tayo kung paano pa natin tulungan sila. No, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa modernization. Ang mundo ngayon nagbago na, Mr. Chairman, and I acknowledge that the Secretary of Defense has now embarked on a new strategy and a new concept. This is the archipelagic concept, and we want to hear the details of those concepts so that we can support the defense establishment with the necessary tools, capabilities, as well as budget in order to embark on that new concept. And maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Senator JB.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning to the DND family. First of all, I'd like to thank you for the men and women in uniform of the DND and the AFP, especially for standing your ground all the time in fighting and protecting our sovereignty and our territory. Kaya po kami ay talagang, alam nyo naman, taon-taon, hanggat kaya, kung ano man ang pwede nating maitulong para po mapalakas pa ang ating armed forces because we need it at this time, Mr. Chair, especially in this precarious situation that we have in the West Philippine Sea, all the more that we really have to support our armed forces with the proper equipment. No doubt, wala akong duda na ang ating pong mga sundalo ay talagang handang mamatay, handang magsakripisyo, dugo, pawis at buhay para ipaglaban ang ating bansa, ang ating soberenya. But we need to give them with the we need to equip them with the proper equipment so that they may do their task very well. Ang ano lang, Mr. Chair, siguro minsan nakakalungkot, no, sa mga pangyayari ngayon. Pag iniisip ko yung hinihinging budget ng armed forces for modernization, yung mga in the recent weeks that have been very controversial, lalo na sa floodgates, sabi ko kung gano'n lang yung budget na winaldas nila, sana pala may modernized airport, na meron na tayong modernized armed forces, yung matagal na nating ipinaglalaban, dinadagdag natin through amendments here in the Senate. Alam po ni Secretary Teodoro, General Browner, yung po kanila pong wish list, kapag po sinabmit po nila sa National Expenditure Program or the President's Budget, ay paglabas po ay talagang tapyas na, no, kakaunti lang. Tapos pag dumaan pa ng kabilang kamera, matatapyasan pa ho yung modernization. For the record, ay alam doon nila that in the Senate, we have been consistent in supplementing and adding additional budget for the AFP modernization in the past years. Tayo po ang nagdadagdag. And I think our chair of the Committee on Finance would agree na ito po ay good amendments and good insertions. Napakasama na kasi, Mr. Chair, ng ibig sabihin ng insertion ngayon. Pero po, I am proud and I'm sure that you are all equally proud that these amendments and insertions that we did for the armed forces of the Philippines and the Department of National Defense, titindigan po natin to. These are good amendments at kailangan po ng ating pong armed forces para po patuloy na paproteksyonan ang ating teritoryo, ang ating pong soberenya.